I just updated to the newest version of xTool Creative Space, and I accidentally stumbled on this harmless little button in Applications, and it stopped me in my tracks. I make a few maps, and by clicking this new mapmaker button, it allows me to integrate Laser Mapmaker, which is my favorite mapping tool, right into XCS, and it's eliminated several steps in my creation workflow that's already saving me a ton of time. Well, let me show you. Now, xTool Creative Space, or XCS, is the sole franchise of xTool, and you need an xTool laser to use it, but it does offer some big advantages over tools like Lightburn, and a big one is the ability to do integration of third-party applications. And Laser Mapmaker, my favorite mapping tool, as I mentioned, took advantage of this and has seamlessly plugged themselves into that integration framework inside xTool. And you don't really have to do anything other than create your credentials for Laser Mapmaker, and then you can just use it inside XCS, and it works really nicely. Now, this isn't a tutorial for Laser Mapmaker or XCS. I just wanted to take a quick few minutes here to show you this new integration and why it makes both Laser Mapmaker and XCS a lot more interesting. So just a quick overview of the current state of Laser Mapmaker. Laser Mapmaker is a cloud application that provides the ability to point to a location on the planet as a map and then create multiple layers for either cutting or engraving to create either a flat map or a layered map. And I'll take a look at this one, which is one I did for a previous video. I'll put a link up in the corner if you're interested in how I actually made this map. But you can see it has 3 different layers. The first one is a cut layer, which is the land. And then I have an engraved layer on top of that land, which draws the fine detail of the streets, and finally a separate cut layer for the roads. And I can turn these off individually if you want to see what's on each layer. If I just turn off this cut layer, all of this stuff will be on that one layer. So it'll cut out all of the green and then engrave all these coarse roads onto it. And then I'll create another layer which turns on the big roads as a separate layer, so they'll look like they're stacked up. And then I put all of this on top of a blue layer, which is the water. So really all that's pretty simple, but if you're doing this with something like Lightburn, which is the tool I used when I created that video, you end up having to import the land and the images and a whole bunch of stuff all separately, and then trying to align it and piece it together. It's doable, but it's extra steps and it takes extra time. So what Laser Mapmaker did is take advantage of that application framework in XCS, and they integrated the tool directly into that. So it looks exactly the same as it does here, except that when I'm ready, I don't have to do an export to separate files. I can just say, open this as a project in XCS, and I can open individual layers, and those things will get put on my material. And I think that's pretty cool. It saves, a bunch of time, probably 5-10 minutes per layer whenever you're doing this. And if you're in business like I am, time is money. And that 5 or 10 minutes is, maybe I'm just getting a cup of coffee, but it's time I don't have to try and figure out part of a workflow. It just kind of happens for me. And I think they did a great job. And kudos to xTool for allowing this kind of integration into their tool. This is something that Lightburn sorely needs. It doesn't have something like this. And big advantage for XCS, because most of the people who are using something like a P2S, a CO2 laser from xTool, most of those people are either craft people or they're beginners. They don't really want to dive into all of the complexity of Lightburn, and this simplifies that a lot. And so really that's all I wanted to show you here. And I will put affiliate links in the description down below. Use them, don't use them, doesn't matter to me. But if you want to help out the channel, go ahead and click those. Laser Mapmaker runs around $115 a year, which I've had people say that's very expensive. But really, if you're making one map for somebody and selling it, you're going to make that money back on the first map. So after that, your maps are basically free for the year. I tend to do commercial stuff, so the $100 isn't really that big a deal to me because I write it off as a business expense. With that, I'll wind down. I'll say get out there, make your world, and I'll see you next time.